Hi everyone, hope you're all well. In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of cPanel, which is the powerful web hosting control panel that simplifies website management. Whether you're a beginner exploring web hosting options or an experienced website owner looking to streamline your admin tasks, cPanel is an essential tool that you need to know about. In this video, we'll walk you through the key features and functionality of cPanel, from domain management to file uploads and things like that. So let's jump right in. So what is cPanel? cPanel is a web hosting control panel used for managing websites and servers. It provides a graphical interface and a suite of tools that simplify various admin tasks related to website and server management. Some common uses of cPanel include website management. So it allows you to easily manage their website by providing tools for file management, website backups, FTP access, and domain subdomain management. Users can create and manage email accounts associated with their domain, set up email forwarders and autoresponders. They can manage spam filters and access webmail interfaces as well. cPanel offers functionality for creating and managing databases, along with tools to set up database users, import-export data, and manage database backups as well. Users can configure server settings, including PHP versions, security options, SSL certificate installations, and access control. cPanel also provides tools for easily installing popular applications like WordPress, Joomla, Drupal, and lots of others. And this enables users to set up their websites and online platforms quickly and easily without help from any third-party applications or anything like that. cPanel offers security features like SSL certificates, management, password protectors, protected directories, IP blocking, and access controls to enhance website security. And users can access website statistics, including visitor analytics, bandwidth usage, error logs, and research usage reports to gain insights into their website performance as well. Overall, cPanel simplifies and centralizes the management of websites and servers as well, making it widely used and convenient control panel for website owners, web developers, and hosting providers as well. So once you have cPanel up and running, this is what it typically looks like. Everything's separated into these four main sections. You have the email section, the files section, database, domains, metrics, security, software, any advanced features, preferences, and lastly applications. You'll find you'll not need to use everything that's offered. There'll be a few places that you'll be accessing the most. In the cPanel we have WordPress already installed, but basically everything that you've installed will show up on the left side here. One of the main things that you'll use is the file manager, which is under the file section, and it's a built-in tool cPanel has that allows users to manage their website files directly from the web hosting control panel. Some key features and functionality include file and folder operations, so users can perform various file operations like uploading new files, creating folders, copying, moving, renaming, and deleting file directories. You have the directory tree, and this is displayed on the left and allows users to navigate through different folders and directories within their file structure, so it makes it really easy to do that navigation. You can easily edit in the CGI bin. You can easily edit different files such as HTML files, PHP files, CSS files, and things like that. And this eliminates the need to download, edit, and re-upload files separately. Users can also compress multiple files for into directories into one single zip files, and allows basically a lot more of a compressed data transfer process. You can also preview files like images, text files, and PDF documents. And it also includes a search bar as well for users to search for specific files or directories within their website file structure as well. The file manager in cPanel provides a really user-friendly and intuitive interface for managing website files, and it offers essential file management features and eliminates the need for external FTP clients or additional software in a lot of cases as well. So also within the file section, you have the backup option as well, this backup feature. And cPanel essentially provides this backup feature to allow users to create and manage backups of their own website files, databases, email accounts, and other configurations. And this includes full and partial backups of their entire account, including all files, databases, email accounts, settings, and they can also opt for partial backups, allowing them to select specific components to include in the backup as well. Users can also schedule regular backups to occur automatically at specific intervals, like daily, weekly, or monthly, and this ensures that their website data is regularly backed up without requiring manual intervention. cPanel offers multiple backup destinations, including backups on the server, download them to a local machine, or transfer them to a remote lower storage location via FTP or secure cloud storage as well. And users can configure the retention policy to specify how long backups files should be kept, and this ensures that the older backups are automatically removed to free up a bit more storage space. cPanel can also send email notifications to users after a backup is completed, or if a backup has failed, just to kind of keep them informed about the backup status. And in some cases, users require assistance with restoring backups, cPanel also provides a lot of documentation and support resources to guide them through that process as well. Regularly creating backups is really crucial for data protection and disaster recovery. With cPanel's backup feature, users can easily schedule and manage backups to ensure the safety and integrity of their website data as well. And next up is the application section of cPanel, and this section provides users with the ability to install and manage various application and content management systems, or CMSs, directly from their hosting control panel. So you can see in this application section right now, WordPress is already installed, but you can install other popular ones if you wanted to, like Joomla, Drupal, and things like that. cPanel offers a application installer, often called Softaculous, which provides a vast library of popular applications and scripts, and users can browse through different categories, including CMS platforms, e-commerce systems, forums, blogs, things like that. And with the application installer, users can install applications with just a few clicks. It really simplifies the installation process and eliminates the need for manual installation steps. Users can install popular CMS platforms like WordPress, Joomla, Drupal, and lots of others. And these platforms essentially provide powerful tools for building and managing websites, including content creation, themes, plugins, and user management. And they can also set up e-commerce platforms as well, like Magento, WooCommerce, PrestaShop, or OpenCart, to create online stores with features for product management, shopping carts, payment gateways, and order tracking as well. Some cPanel installations offer website builder tools that allow users to create websites using drag and drop interfaces, pre-designed templates, and customizable elements. And once installed, cPanel provides options to manage the installed applications, and users can update the applications to the latest versions, manage plugins or extensions, configure settings, and perform other admin tasks as well. It's also really easy to remove and uninstall applications that are no longer needed, and that allows you to kind of free up server resources as well and some storage space. The applications section in cPanel makes it convenient for users to install, manage, and update various platform applications without the need for manual installation or complex configuration. It streamlines the process of building websites, setting up online stores, or creating community platforms, allowing users to really leverage popular applications and platform with ease. And next up we have the phpMyAdmin section as well. And phpMyAdmin is a really widely used web-based database management tool that is often included in cPanel installations. It allows users to interact with and manage their MySQL or MariaDB database through a user-friendly web interface as well. So users can access phpMyAdmin through this cPanel interface. If you click on the drop-down, you can see phpMyAdmin over here as well, and it also provides a really comprehensive set of tools for managing databases. Under the MySQL database, they can create new databases, they can delete current databases, create tables, manage indexes or foreign key relationships as well. And they can perform various operations on the data within their database. They can insert, update, and delete records in database as well, add new SQL users, show current users as well, and it's a really easy kind of convenient interface for executing any kind of SQL queries directly onto the database as well. They can also manage individual database tables using phpMyAdmin, and they can create new tables, modifying existing tables, or drop tables if they need to. phpMyAdmin also allows users to import or export database data in various formats, and they can import SQL files to populate databases or export data as SQL files in other formats like CSV, Excel, or XML. And they also have a SQL console where users can execute custom SQL queries directly on the database as well. This feature enables advanced database admins and querying capabilities as well. phpMyAdmin is a really popular tool that simplifies the management of MySQL or Maria database through a web-based interface. It's user-friendly and it makes it really accessible to both new and experienced users, allowing for efficient database admin and data manipulation within the cPanel. So thank you for joining me in this exploration of cPanel and all of its powerful features. I hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and knowledge on how to effectively manage your website using cPanel. Just remember that cPanel is your go-to control panel for streamlining website management, whether you're handling files, emails, databases, or security configurations. By leveraging tools and functionalities within cPanel, you can save time, enhance productivity, and optimize your online presence as well. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more informative content on web development, hosting, and tech tutorials. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, please let me know in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.